Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to navigate in Excel using Ctrl Shift and arrow keys. I have prepared a small table just for the purpose of learning. So here I have filled the data in such a manner that I can show you how to jump from one cell to another using keyboard and avoiding mouse. We all know that to move to the adjacent cells right, up, left or down, we use the arrow keys. But what about jumping to the last cell? So one option is to take the mouse and click it and we reach. But for that we need to move our hands away from the keyboard. That slows us down. So using the keyboards, there are different ways where we can directly reach to a particular cell swiftly. So the main thing over here is Excel it makes us reach to the last cell before an empty cell. So right now I am on 1, which is cell J4. So I want to reach to 5, which is in cell N4. So for that, what I'll do is keep the control key pressed and I press the right arrow key. See, I've directly reached to the end because the next cell is empty and I didn't reach over here because Excel breaks it out before the empty cell. So now, similarly, if I want to reach to the cell which is last vertically, which is 21 over here, so I press Control and down arrow. So I directly reach to the last key. Now, selecting cells using the Shift key. So when we press the Shift key, we select the adjacent cells using the Shift and arrow keys. But what about if we want to directly select cells 1 to 5? So I'm mentioning 1 to 5 rather than J4 to N4 for ease of understanding purpose. So what we do is we directly use this particular shortcut, Control Shift and the right arrow key, which will directly make you reach to the last point before an empty cell. Now if you again press Control plus Shift, it will skip the empty cell and reach you to the filled cell. And now if you again press the Control Shift plus right arrow, you would directly reach to the last cell of the sheet because nothing is filled in there. So these are some basic shortcuts where we can avoid using the mouse and we can directly use the keyboard, which will increase our speed and it will simplify our work also because we need not use the mouse. There are many other shortcuts, many other combinations. We can use page up, page down, home and end keys along with control and shift, which will allow us to select or maneuver or navigate from one cell to another in the sheet. Same goes for sheets, which we can cover in some other part. I hope you like this video. I'll try and share more videos about what I know, and as I said earlier in an earlier video, I would like to enhance your experience in Excel. Thank you. Bye for now.